Welcome to our tutorial on how to change your relationship status to single on Facebook using your PC. Whether you're starting a new chapter in your life or simply updating your profile, this step-by-step guide will show you how. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Facebook homepage. Step 2. Click on your profile photo from the top right corner to access your profile. Step 3. Next, click on About to view and manage your profile information. Step 4. In the Family and Relationships tab, locate and click on the edit icon next to your current relationship status. Step 5. A drop-down menu will appear. From the options available, select Single to indicate your new relationship status. Step 6. Finally, click Save to update your profile with the new relationship status. And there you have it. Your relationship status is now changed to single on Facebook. It's important to keep your profile information up to date, and this simple process allows you to accurately reflect your current situation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.